Are you facing OneDrive error 0x8004de34 on Windows? In this video, we'll show you simple steps to fix syncing issues and get OneDrive working again. Solution 1. Reset OneDrive. Press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog box. Now copy the command from the video description, paste it into the Run box, and press Enter to start resetting OneDrive. Solution 2. Manage Windows credentials. Search for Windows credentials in the search bar. Click on Manage Windows credentials. Then, click on Microsoft Office data and press Remove. Click Yes to confirm the action. Solution 3. Unlink OneDrive account. Expand the taskbar toolbar and right-click on the OneDrive icon. Select Settings. Go to the Account tab and click on Unlink this PC. Confirm by clicking on Unlink Account. Solution 4. Uninstall and reinstall OneDrive. Right-click on the Windows Start button and click Settings. In the Settings menu, click on Apps, then Installed Apps. Click on the three dots next to OneDrive and select Uninstall. Click Uninstall again, and then Yes to confirm. Now, open your browser and search for OneDrive download. Click on the first link, then select Download. Click on Save As and choose a location. Then click Save. Once downloaded, click Open File and confirm with Yes. Finally, restart your PC by right-clicking on the Windows Start button and selecting Restart. These steps should help fix the OneDrive error. Thanks for watching. Hope the tutorial helped you, so subscribe and like please.